Remember the first time you chatted with an AI? It might have felt like stepping into the future. Perhaps it was a simple question answered on a website, a moment of curiosity met with an instant response. Maybe it was a playful exchange with a virtual assistant, a small taste of what was to come. Whatever the interaction, there was a sense of wonder and amazement. The idea of machines understanding and responding to us in our language felt revolutionary, almost magical. This initial excitement was fueled by the immense potential we saw in AI chatbots and their capabilities. Here were tools that could personalize our experiences, making interactions more meaningful. They could answer our questions instantly, providing information at our fingertips. They could even entertain us with stories and jokes, adding a touch of humor to our day. The possibilities seemed endless. The early days of AI chatbots were characterized by this optimism and a sense of limitless potential. We envisioned a future where communication with machines would be seamless and intuitive. Tasks would be automated, freeing up our time for more creative and meaningful pursuits. And access to information and services would be democratized, available to everyone, everywhere. Fast forward to 2024, and the AI landscape has evolved significantly. While the initial hype has settled, AI chatbots have quietly integrated themselves into various aspects of our daily lives, becoming almost indispensable. We encounter them in customer service interactions, educational apps, and even healthcare platforms, where they assist professionals in making informed decisions. The reality of AI's impact is more nuanced than the early, often sensational predictions. AI hasn't caused mass unemployment or triggered a robot uprising yet. Instead, it has created new opportunities and roles. We see a gradual integration of AI tools, enhancing existing systems and processes, making them more efficient and effective. This integration isn't always flashy or disruptive, but rather subtle and seamless. In fact, it's often most successful when it's invisible, working quietly in the background. A chatbot seamlessly resolving a customer query, saving time and effort. A language learning app personalizing lessons to fit individual needs, or a medical AI assisting with diagnosis. These are the subtle yet powerful ways AI is changing our world for the better. The healthcare sector stands to benefit immensely from AI advancements. Chatbots are being deployed to provide patients with basic medical information. They can answer frequently asked questions about symptoms, medications, and treatment options. Furthermore, AI-powered chatbots are proving valuable in mental health support. They offer a safe space for individuals to discuss their concerns and access resources. The anonymity provided by chatbots can encourage those hesitant to seek traditional therapy to reach out for help. However, it's crucial to remember that AI should augment, not replace, human interaction in healthcare. The empathy and understanding offered by human medical professionals remain irreplaceable. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized tutor available 24/7. AI chatbots are making this vision a reality, transforming the education landscape. They can adapt to individual learning styles, providing customized lessons and feedback. For students struggling with specific subjects, AI tutors offer targeted support. They can identify knowledge gaps and provide additional practice exercises. This personalized approach helps students learn at their own pace, fostering deeper understanding. The potential benefits of AI in education extend beyond personalized learning. AI chatbots can also automate administrative tasks for teachers, freeing up their time to focus on what they do best, teaching. Customer service revolution. Bots on the front line. We've all experienced the frustration of navigating automated phone systems or waiting on hold for customer service. AI chatbots are transforming this landscape, offering instant support and personalized solutions. They can handle a wide range of customer queries, from order tracking to technical troubleshooting. This shift towards AI-powered customer service isn't just about efficiency, it's about improving the customer experience. Chatbots are available 24/7, offering instant responses and personalized interactions. This constant availability and quick resolution times lead to higher customer satisfaction. However, it's crucial to design chatbots that are intuitive and user-friendly. If a chatbot is poorly designed, it can lead to frustration and a negative customer experience. The ethical dilemma, bias, and responsibility. As AI chatbots become more integrated into our daily lives, it's vital to address the ethical considerations they raise. These chatbots are becoming ubiquitous, from personal assistants to customer service representatives, and their influence is growing. One major concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. Bias can creep in through the data used to train these systems, often reflecting societal prejudices. If a chatbot is trained on biased data, it can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. This can have far-reaching consequences, affecting various aspects of life. For instance, an AI chatbot used in hiring decisions could discriminate against certain candidates based on factors like gender or race, if the training data reflects such biases. This could lead to unfair hiring practices and a lack of diversity in the workplace. It's crucial to develop AI systems that are fair, transparent, and accountable. Ensuring that these systems are regularly audited and updated can help mitigate bias. Another ethical consideration is the issue of responsibility. When an AI system makes a decision, who is held accountable for the outcome? If an AI chatbot makes a mistake, who is accountable? Is it the developer who created the algorithm, the user who interacted with it, or the AI itself? These questions are complex and require careful consideration. Establishing clear guidelines and regulations is essential as we continue to develop and deploy AI technologies. As we move forward, it's imperative to address these ethical dilemmas to ensure that AI technologies benefit all of society rather than perpetuating existing inequalities or creating new ones. The resource gap, the price of intelligence. Developing and deploying sophisticated AI chatbots requires significant resources. This includes access to massive datasets for training, powerful computing infrastructure, and a skilled workforce of AI experts. This resource gap can exacerbate existing inequalities. Large tech companies with vast resources are best positioned to develop and benefit from AI, potentially widening the gap between the tech giants and smaller players. Bridging this resource gap is crucial to ensure that the benefits of AI are accessible to all. Open source AI initiatives, where code and resources are shared freely, offer a promising solution. By making AI development more accessible, we can foster innovation and ensure a more equitable distribution of AI benefits. One of the most persistent concerns about AI is its potential impact on jobs. While it's true that AI will automate certain tasks, leading to some job displacement, it's unlikely to result in mass unemployment. Instead, AI is likely to transform the nature of work. Many jobs will evolve to incorporate AI tools, requiring workers to adapt and acquire new skills. This shift presents an opportunity to focus on tasks that require uniquely human skills, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future of work is likely to be one of collaboration, not replacement. AI will handle repetitive or data-heavy tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and strategic work. We are at a pivotal moment in the evolution of AI. The choices we make today will shape the impact of this technology on our world. It's time for a collective conversation about the future we want to create with AI. This includes demanding transparency from companies developing AI systems. We need to understand how these systems are designed, trained, and deployed. It also involves advocating for responsible AI development that prioritizes fairness, accountability, and human well-being. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's a future we create together. By engaging in informed discussions, advocating for responsible development, and shaping policies that promote ethical AI, we can harness this powerful technology for the betterment of humanity. AI chatbots have come a long way since their early days. They are no longer just a futuristic concept, they are tools that are actively shaping our world. From healthcare and education to customer service and beyond, AI is transforming industries and changing the way we live, work, and interact. However, it's important to maintain a balanced perspective. AI is not a silver bullet that will magically solve all our problems. It comes with its own set of challenges, from ethical considerations to resource requirements. The key is to approach AI development and deployment thoughtfully. We need to be mindful of the potential risks while embracing the transformative power of this technology. AI chatbots are undoubtedly changing our world. They offer immense potential to improve our lives, from enhancing healthcare and personalizing education to transforming customer service and automating tedious tasks. However, this transformation comes with responsibility. We must address the ethical challenges, bridge the resource gap, and ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits all of humanity. By embracing the potential of AI while navigating its challenges thoughtfully, we can shape a future where this powerful technology empowers us all. The future of AI is not pre-written, it's a future we write together.